are my thing, and Q on the dashboard. Hear that bell ring, bear flags, bull flags, our rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar light.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the trading cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an up and roll, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard. Hear that bell ring, bear flags, bull flags, our rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
What is up, guys? What is up, my outlaws, my people? How's everybody doing right now? Kind of just waiting right here, guys, to see if we can get back above this. We kind of see if we're holding above this EMA, these EMAs. The 21 right now, pushed up. I kind of want to see it test this 20 and then reject right here, but that's just wishing, so. See how far this one takes us right here, maybe, I don't know. It's trying to hold. Wish I'd have got in at the 20, so I'm just being a little patient. I was waiting for it to kind of wick up on this candle. It didn't really wick up, so. Nvidia's got kind of a little bull flag going on. VIX is trying to push though. ES broke down a hair. What do y'all guys think? Y'all in anything right now? Short from the 20s is what I wish I was.
Cowboy stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags are open, I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
There we go, guys. Little action. Took one off right there. The other one stops in profit. See if we can get a big dump through here. If not, it may bounce right off this 05 area. Yeah, just hit my runner. Got about $100 out of that one. See if he can wick up here to the 30s maybe. Maybe 35. Then we may try another short, but these 20s are holding, but it just comes down 10-15 points and bounces right back up. So we're not getting any follow through. Should have just stayed in at the 20s, guys, huh? Just kept kind of wicking us. Yeah, it's kind of giving up. Video turning red. $20-year bond auction in 25 minutes. Won't be a crazy announcement, but let's see if it holds right here. Here we go. Just got one right there. Up about 15 points, 16 points now. Just going to target this 30 area. See if we can get a wick into the 30s. That'll be 25 points right there if we can get a push. Oh, pulling right back down. Those 20s are a booger right there, aren't they, guys? That's what I'm saying. We're just getting in this big chop zone right now, so not really a lot of trading we should even be doing, but thought we were really going to get that push through there. that. Stopped out right there for now. Got about 2 points off of it. Super dumb. Was up 20 points for a second. Was wanting 25. What I get for being greedy, but I really thought we could just push the top of this wick right here at the 32s. That's why I was targeting 27. Maybe time for a reversal now, though.
On the blotter, sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Hey! Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire, every little flick of feeds that fire. Hey! Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, yeah, we shout you hot to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a belt full of rounds. When that volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Oh, yeah. Chat room talking live, hey. Campfire talking night. We're telling tales of a lemon fields we bear.
Kind of watch to see what it does right here. Might try to do this off the 10s right here. See how this candle closes.
Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, come on, we shout you hot to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride.
I like how it's time to push down back below those EMAs, so probably be in at the between the 5s and the 10s if I can get an entry.
Stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust. But I saddle up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line
There we go.
bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Hey, hold on, hey. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream. charred road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo.
Flat again, fellas.
R&B weather, New Jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles grow. Driving up, session taps his ring on the desk, says one more pullback, then I'm done. Yeah, Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while his breath runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze, bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every
Right back up to those 20s almost. About 804 on the old contracts. I don't know, guys. I mean, look at NVIDIA. I guess if you squint, that could kind of be a bull flag. ES getting a little bit of a pop. VIX coming back down. Finally gonna get those 30s like I wanted a while ago.
Marco's got that R&B weather, New Jack swing in his flow. Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles grow. Coffee covering on a legal path, sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind, fast market, that's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes, it comes around.
Alright, what are y'all thinking? A little pop here? This is a good place to short it. Good place to short, looks like. All right, let's see how it acts on these EMAs right here. See if this is going to be a continuation down. I mean, we finally broke these little temporary highs right here, so barely wicked over this. We're kind of right to it actually, so see if we get that continuation down. That 9's starting to point down a little bit. Just right in the middle of the box. That's the 9 on the 5-minute chart right there, so
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow, chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go. Hey, I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bold flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the low when the tides start to set. This could be the best 8 seconds yet. I'm the
see how it respects this 9 on a 1 minute. It's bouncing off of it on the 5, so
catch that momentum, boy.
there's a pretty good push.
Look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
So it really comes back down through the 15s. May jump in for a little short, but let's see if it just gets below that EMA. I'd really like it below the 9 on the 5-minute. Be flat again. It's crazy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Chart like an open road, giddy up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah. Yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy. Get it
You know, the 5 kind of making a little bull flag. We're trying to get below that 9 EMA though. The 15 kind of looks like it gave up a little bit. I think that short's in play now, but man, I've tried it 3 times. Been up 10, 15 points each time, and then it comes right back up. Come on, chat. Get me in a trade.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, Nasdaq, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah. Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, Nasdaq, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go, let's ride. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna kind of see if this is just gonna be a little bull flag on the 1 minute, or bear flag. I'm sorry, bear flag on the 1 minute maybe. We're just really having to squint to see if there's any of this is gonna play out or not. So kind of having to go cross-eyed to see if these charts are right now. I mean, we're just getting chopped up.
Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. A little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts are like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker.
May try right here at the 5s, the 10s if it pushes through. Want to see it pop a little bit, then just pull right back down to it. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, but it's kind of a quick wick, so we'll see what happens here. Maybe we're getting a little push for the close of the hour.
Got my watch list loaded like a bell, full around. When that volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Oh yeah, chat room talking like campfire talking now.
If it rejects one more time right here, I'll try a little short skew.
Survive win streaks, same old song, one good runner and I'm right back on. Push buttons,
Yeah, looks like it's gonna go up a little bit.
let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open wide screen.
Trying to get that hourly to close nice, looks like, guys.
To the moon, high-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles, green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push Nasdaq, push those candles, green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open widescreen saloon, hands up high, we howl at the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles, green, let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream. Whoa, 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 Boots on the floor.
we go. Getting a little push down. Come on. Man, if you want to be long, that 2502 area has been holding each time. I want to see it break and then get below the 995s. There's about 10 points there if anybody wants to take it. Every time I get up 10 points, it shoots right back to the top. But let's go, guys. There's 15 points. Keep pushing. Come on down. That's what Zero Dawn would say. Hey, what's up, girl? Good to see you here. Kind of want to see these 990s just get wicked through. Pretty good support right here at the 95s. Maybe I should have took it there, but up 340 on this little account right here. Here's the close. What are we gonna do, Naz? Big shoot up, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and set this in profit, guaranteed $100. We're up 300. Looks like it's gonna just rush up and take it. Alright, back flat on that trade. Man, just couldn't get that push through. I guess we draw this right here. We'd probably know why. Maybe if we draw it right here. That's kind of the resistance there. So now we kind of got this right here. Now with that hourly pushing up first, that kind of makes me a little worried, right guys? I mean, no wick on the bottom, so let's see how high this goes. Kind of the wick to the 20s. Let's see if we're going to break this hourly wick right here, this previous 1 hour. See how this candle reacts on this close. Just kind of looking at this 1 hour, guys. I mean, we broke that wick. We kind of have this wick up here now. So if you think about it on a smaller time frame, sometimes when it does that, then pulls back, this candle would come back down here, turn red. So I'm just making sure this isn't going to be a bull flag on a smaller time frame. Looks like it's pushing down. Huh?
Trading Cowboys. Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, beat these bears. Push those candles, get up there.
This could be a bull flag, guys, or what? What are we waiting on?
Let's ride it all the way to the top.
Here's what I'm looking for right here.
Move our new charge, we never stop. Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, beat these bears. Push those candles, get up there. Come on and cute, giddy up, yeah. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Hit that VY, move our new charge.
I feel like if I go in now and try to make this a bull flag, it'll just reject and beat me up. But this would be a nice catch at the bottom if it could.
Coffee on, screen is glowing. Sun comes up, numbers going. Little green flicker on the side.
If it pulls back up over the 9, I'll jump in to like 25 or something. I'm just gonna set a little buy and see if it pulls back through it, then it'll just enter me. Alright, just like that. See how I just pushed back through right here? I just set it right there. Now I just want to see it hold here, or I'll just exit real fast. And I'm just going to shoot for these 40s. $42 roughly.
Push through the lowest, break through these EMAs. Take me lower,
Come on, push. Don't stop right there. Oh, what was that, guys? Come on. All right, flat again on that, man.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower with those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ. Let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom.
Might try out the 15s again, guys, if it gives it to me. It's pushing down a little bit. I got one. I was going to add into it, but
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy Yusef picks a dealing tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Terpinator calls, here comes the good news through the chop, we don't let go.
come on, get a follow through.
Nasdaq together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the desk. Says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah. Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Well, Trevor riding Nasdaq.
Really needs to get below this 05 area on the new contracts to really see a good push down. We can push through this 25,000s, but every time it gets a little bit of traction, the bulls rip it right back up. So
Trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles grow. Boots on the floor, charts on the wall, coffee in hand, I'm ready to brawl. Up before sunrise, watch the ticker fly. Been taking them drawdowns on the chin, still I try. Wrist tight as a lasso, heart light as a crowd. One green day at a time and I'm singing out proud. Here's the passing that big old test. Raise them hats up high in the air. All them long nights, all that sweat. Turn this wild old gut feel to a prayer. Tip your brim, take a bow.
let's see if this is the moment. We'll see if this is the breakthrough right here.
You're a funded trader now.
Nope.
I was crazy, staring at that screen. While the ranch laid quiet, I was chasing that dream. Dodged the bad setups, let the good ones run. Now the profit's riding shotgun and the work's getting fun. Oh yeah, here's to passing that big old test. Raise them hats up high in the air.
Now we're just getting an 8-point chop fest, guys.
Ride real smooth.
Yo, what's up, Iron Gaming? What do you got for us today, buddy?
Hands up high, hear that crowd from the pit to the pasture, we're singing out loud. Saddle up, say proud, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Here's the passing that big old test. Raise them hats up high in the air. All them slip ups, all that stress. Turn to high fives, dusting fresh air. Tip your brim, take a bow. Saddle up.
What's going on, Miguel? Outlaw in the house. Outlaw number 2. I'm outlaw number 1, buddy. Now we can ride. Yeah, driving obsession. Chopperino for sure. Man. Just a 6-8 point. Iron Gaming, what's your view on XAU US dollar? I don't know. I thought you were the guru on that. You tell me, Iron Gaming. What's your storyline telling us? Up around 450 pips. Nice.
Sun just climbing past the barn roof line.
Super nice.
Rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine, fast market. That's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from
Yeah, driving obsession, man. Just chop, chop, chop. I mean, finally got a little bit of breakout right here, but this pops back up. I just flatten my position, guys. After 50.36, around 580 pips. That's crazy. Congrats. Oh, 580 pips down. Yeah. Okay. Pretty good, Miguel. Not bad at all. I mean, I was pretty flat on the stream. Had a pretty good little funded session. How about you, Miguel? How'd you fare this morning? I like your cap, thanks. I had to take my cowboy hat off so I could lean my head back a little bit, so I got me 2 new monitors up here up top, and so it's easier for me to look if I'm wearing my hat, my ball cap instead, so it feels way more comfortable. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see if I can put it up there. Shoot, it's not even on. Now let's figure out why it's not working. Why did I name my channel The Trading Cowboy? Well, I live in cattle country. We're the cattle capital of the world. I like to wear cowboy hats. I wear cowboy hats and cowboy boots almost every day. So I thought that fit my channel a little well. I like to ride those candles, you know what I mean?
Push it, Nasdaq, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky. Click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go. Let's ride. Oh, yeah. Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my
Apex took 350K funded accounts from me today. Kind of sad, but it's okay. I'm an unstoppable outlaw. That's what I'm saying, Miguel. I mean, hey, you got there one time. You can get back there again. That's phenomenal, though. I mean, bad to hear, but phenomenal that you had those accounts. So, congratulations for that, for sure. They sent me an email explaining why, but haven't went through it yet. Yes, sir. Huh. Well, let me know, Miguel. That's kind of interesting. Let me know what happens. Wonder why they took them. Did they say you were hedging or something, or? Flatten the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue. Iron Gaming, I got funded and they give me a free 5K instant. Yeah, let me know, Miguel. That's really interesting. I'd like to see what they say. What are they trying to do here, guys? Alright, I don't know. Kind of want to try a little long here after, well, there's a little pop. Kind of after that wick down, it kind of cleans up these wicks and then push, but It popped up, pulled right back down, so I'm still undecided. We're just not getting any movement, guys. I mean, it's just chopping back and forth. And the second you go in heavy so you can make a little bit, it'll give you a good move one way.
Trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, a new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news through the chop.
And Miguel, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but if you do and you have any questions with that, just send me a DM with that Apex still says. I'll read through it with you. Iron Gaming, I mean, maybe a little bit of price action. I use mainly momentum. I like watching the speed of the candles. I like watching the wicks. Other than that, mainly bear flags and bull flags. I mean, you can see right here we had this pop. Had a little bear flag play out at wick down. We got a newer high right here on this little time frame. I got this drawn out just on some of our lower lows right here. And you watch it, we're just kind of trending right with it. So if we get under this and our EMAs cross over, then I'll start looking for shorts. But so really just following the trend, bear flags and bull flags. I kind of watch for long, fast wicks, and then I also like to watch for candles with no wicks. What's up, Gronky Tonk Man? It's going. It's just Chop City right now.
Cowboy stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags are open out.
Every time I think go long, it's not. And
Ever hit this land, ride those candles, ride that run long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun, short into the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds yet. Yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today.
Iron Gaming, do you know about trading in the zone? No, not really. I've heard about a book about that, but
Let's ride it all the way to the top.
is it the same as the book?
Break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, yeah, shove them down. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that VWAP, show them how we got them. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down.
Sure is. I went around 10:15. Grab a short strike for tomorrow, about 105 points away. I could handle Chop City, but prefer a spike up. Yeah, for sure. It keeps wanting to. I mean, it's slowly grinding up, but it grinds up and then pulls right back. I mean, Yeah, Iron Gaming. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about trading in the zone. I mean, I know I've heard about a book that a guy wrote, and that's what it's called, trading in the zone. I get the feeling we'll grind up today, maybe back to about opening range. Yeah, I mean, they're not letting it really go anywhere down. I mean, everything just the 5, the 15. This 1 hour don't really have a wick on the bottom of it, so I'm kind of wondering when we're gonna go fix that. So.
Cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard. Hear that bell ring? Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds.
Yeah, for sure, Gronky Tonk. I think.
Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun, short it to the lows when the tide starts to set.
There it is. Keep going. Heck yeah. Iron Gaming, very best book I've ever seen. Good deal. I'm just 17, yeah. There's a little wedge. I guess kind of want to see how it reacts at the 43 to 45 area. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of trouble right in there. See if this is going to be a bull flag or not. I mean, at least we finally got a breakout over the 20s, right? Keep in mind we go FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, and you think that's why it's just kind of sitting here? Everybody's kind of waiting, being patient. Are all the big guys holding their stuff, getting out? Yeah, I think we'll see a lot of chop the closer we get, but you never know. Yeah.
Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream.
My screen keeps glitching out.
Let's go, let's ride.
Tried one right there at the 30s. It's not really working out. I was kind of hoping that bear flag or that bull flag would just play out and it would just run, but now it looks like they got tired. I'll give it about 10 points maybe. See if we can bounce off the 20s at least. Even though I'd like to be short right now after seeing this candle. I'm going to sleep. It's 11:11 in Mumbai. Good night. Hey, you too, Iron Gaming. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, buddy. Appreciate you.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, whip those bulls today. Push those candles down, I'm on NQ, let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom, break that VWAP on down, come on down, come on down. Push those candles down, red way running through this town. Yes, around, yes, around. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom, break that VWAP, come on down, come on down, come on down. Oh, push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, beat these bears. Push those candles, get up there. Come on and cute, giddy up, yeah. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Hit that VWAP, hit that VWAP. New bar, new charge, we never stop. Hit that VWAP, hit that VWAP.
There's the rug pull.
Push through the lowest, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, whip those bulls today. Push those candles down, I'm on NQ, let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom, break that VWAP, come on down.
Frustrating. Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's, man, I wanted that bull flag to play out so bad.
Before sunrise, watch that ticker fly. Been taking them drawdowns on the chin, still I try. Wrist tight as a lasso, heart loud as a crowd. One green day at a time, and I'm singing out proud. Here's to passing that big old test, raise them hats up high in the air. All them long nights, all that sweat, turn this wild good feel to a prayer. Tip your brim, take a bow, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Yeah, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Friends said I was crazy, staring at that screen. While the ranch lay quiet, I was chasing that dream. Dodged them bad setups, let the good ones run. Now the profits riding shotgun and the work's getting fun. Oh yeah. Here's to passing that big old test, raise them hats up high in the air.
Yeah, I'm just going to have to get out of that, guys.
Now they ride real smooth, I don't
Yeah, on a 15-minute for sure, Grunky Tonk. I mean, it kind of went, I guess it didn't go up too high, but I'd like it to be, for more of a bear flag, be down here in the 90s, but... That 99 has a little reaction because that was a little bit of support, but now we're breaking through it a little bit, so... What do we have? I don't think we have. What is NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA rejected off the 200. VIX is pulling back a little bit. ES rejected off the opening range box. And we're just sitting in the box. Right in between the 50 and the 921. 921 on the 5 minutes. Trying to cross over. That'd be a good downside, but... All right, Grunky Tonk man. Hey, have a good one, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Thanks for dropping by. Appreciate everything. Look at that, buddy. Maybe by tomorrow we'll be at 800 subs, too. Look at that. We're getting close. nice little pop-up right here, guys. Little push. Kind of unexpected. Maybe we see this 25.040 now. Naturally, it stopped me out a while ago at 20s when it dropped. Now we're back up over it. Oh, look at that. Fast little wick to the top.
Turn that fear into trust when that trend line bends and the sky turns blue. I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open widescreen saloon. Hands up, high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green.
What are we thinking, guys? Alright, let's see if this candle will push back up here to the 37s and reject, or if we'll get that push through. Trying to get that little push through right there. Getting that little push. Let's see if it breaks this 45 area. Didn't break that high yet.
Coffee covering on a leaf.
Candle closing. Let's see what happens here.
Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Cigar rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Don't mind, fast market. That's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every
Just no volume, huh, guys? I mean, geez, oh, Pete.
whatever little take. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hand on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away.
Trying to kind of scout my way out of that loss from earlier. Took about $1,000 loss. So we're just trying to get some of it back a little at a time.
Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story and every tick up, every pull back down. Detached from the outcome.
A little inversion maybe. Bounce off the 9. Let's see if it pushes over this 45. I mean, look at all that jam up right there, guys. I mean, that's just Chop City Deluxe.
Boots on the floor, charts on the wall, coffee in hand, I'm ready to brawl. Up before sunrise, watch the ticker fly. Been taking them drawdowns on the chin, still I try. Wrist tight as a lasso, heart light as a crowd. One green day at a time and I'm singing out proud. Here's to passing that big old test. Raise them hats up high in the air. All them long nights, all that sweat. Turn this wild old guppy to a prayer. Tip your brim, take a bow. Saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Yeah, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Hey!
There we go.
Friends said I was crazy, staring at that screen. While the
Now you can kind of see my overview, my new setup right here.
the bad setups, let the good ones run. Now the prophet's riding shotgun and the work's getting fun. Oh yeah, here's to passing that big old test. Raise them hats up high in the air. All them rules that I once stressed, now they ride real smooth. I don't care, tip your brim, take a bow. Saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Yeah, saddle up, you're a funded trader now.
Got the little pop right there. Is it gonna hold up though? It's the 40s. Might could get to the 60s, but
Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, a new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together, where the green candles grow. Driving up, session taps his ring on the desk, says one more pullback, then I'm done. Yeah, Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze, bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. We're trader riding Nasdaq together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together, where the green candles grow.
I mean, nice little bull flag on the 2-minute right there to get a pop, but we just didn't get any follow through. The 5. Getting that pullback on the 15 already, kind of wicked above the top. We'd already pushed to the bottom though.
Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together, where the green candles grow.
There's that little pop again. Let's see if it clears this 45 now.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow, chart like an open road. Giddy up, let's go. Hey! I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the low when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds yet. Yeah, I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just
Kind of wanting to spike into the 55s, the 60 area, like 56. See if it's real fast. See how it's trying to give us that quick spike. Oh, didn't quite make it to 55.
got my hat tip low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire, every little flicker feeds that fire. Hey! Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's
Trying to hold it up right here.
Same old song, one good runner, and I'm right back on. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Come on, shout your heart to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, let the screen door train. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust. But I saddle up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Whoa. Hey, hold on, hey. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's
Is that
rip,
all she
let's
had,
ride till
chat?
the closing bell scream.
It went right to my 56 area, just right, kind of where I wanted it. That was a little bit of rejection earlier, but
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower with those bulls today.
let's see what she does from here.
Push those candles down. Come on in, Q. Let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP on down. Come on down. Push those candles down. Red wave running through this town. Yes, around. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Push through the lows, break through
Gotta
these
fix my computer.
EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make
The screen just glitches out. I think it's because it's trying to record in 4K. There's a little bit. Take one off right there if it'll give it to us. Not crazy about that candle on the 2 minute. It's making a little bull flag. Take one off at the 44s if it gives it to me. And then we'll just trail the other one if that happens. So close. Give us that wick. Alright, there's one taken off. I'm just going to put this one at the bottom of that body. We're kind of going to target this 34 area if it gives it to us. When it breaks this next candle's wick, I'll move this down to the top of that body. So now I'm going to move it down to right there. So we're guaranteed 9 points almost. We're just trolling this one, guys. I mean, we took a trade a while ago. Totally went against us. We were long. The only time this thing dropped, we lost about $1,000. We've just been slowly trying to get it back. I'm going to pull this down just a hair more. So we're guaranteed almost 11 points, 220. This is probably going to pop up, get us, and then drop some more. But I'm going to move it to the top of that candle's wick. Alright, stopped out right there. Alright, so we're negative, I don't know, a lot while ago. We're back in the green. We're back up 118. Let's try not to do that again, chat. $7.98 on the subs, guys. We need 2 more. She's going to keep falling now after all that time waiting. I'm okay though. We got back up. We're back green. Anybody still short right here? Or we're trying to get long? I want to be long. I just don't want to have my stop way down here at 95s. And I guess you could have it below here, but I see 23 being a balance area, so. Alright, what are you guys thinking? I mean, we didn't put in a higher high, so...
Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks biting like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Red Trevor riding Nasdaqs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah. Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles grow.
I like that the 9 and 21's kind of starting to cross over right there. The bulls are trying to hold it, but we still didn't form a higher high. What's up, Jose? There's my other outlaw. What's up, buddy? What are you doing, Jose? Are you trading anything? We're just Chop City right now. Finally got a little downside action, but want to see if this pops back up over the 29 right here, or VWAP maybe next. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, we got to break this 29 area. If we break this 25.030, 29 area, I think we have a good downside chance, but we kind of have 978. Kind of want to see it come back up so I could get in a short, Jose. There's the 20s, but I don't really see anything there to hold those 20s. Let's see what happens here. There it goes. There we go. Just kind of caught that bottom when it wicked down there to that. Up 10 points right there. Just going to trail it about 5 points behind. See how big of a push we get. Yeah, let's go. Alright, hit my stop. Not bad. Got about $100 out of that probably. Pulled it right back down though, so now we want to be a little careful. They're wanting to play a little bit right here now, huh? What are we looking at? So that's the 50 up there. This is the 9 on an hourly, or on a 30-minute. Let's see what we get here. I don't know. VWAP's at 977, so. Yeah, I think so. It wasn't as much as I was expecting, but I thought it may keep going after that, but. Let's see if this is a little bear flag maybe, or. Starting to build a little base right here. I don't know. I was hoping we could just come down here and test these 94s, but kind of getting a little pump now, so. Think we might wick the 95 area. That's what I'm banking on, but it's not looking real good right now, H-Town. I'd love to see us wick it. I mean, we keep playing out a little bit better bear flag here, but I don't like those wicks to the top, but really need to flush this 25 real quick. Real quick, chat. Oh, come on. Come on. I think everybody was waiting for that move. Come on. They're fighting, Chad. Who's going to win here? Let's get that 95 wick. Come on, Jack. 95, 95. Come on, can we get 95? Come on. Y'all help me push it down. Let's go. Come on. Drop it right here. Wick that sucker. There we go. What's up, chat? Come on, baby. All right, I'm out right there. Got wicked out right there. Perfect TP hit at 95. Bounced right above it. H-Town Trader is in the house with me today. Caught that trade on the live screen right here. We're back up 461. There's the pump back up. Caught it on a funded. Let's go, chat. Good job, H-Town. Took a while to get there. Yeah, it did. I was pretty nervous. I had 2 minis on a funded and 1 mini on this funded that was on the screen. So both funded. So same. What do we think now, guys? Pretty good win. If we look at the 5, let me get over to it. Kind of a little bounce, kind of cleaned up that little wick there. If this one would close green, I'd say has a little bit of a bullish reaction, but otherwise, I think we're still more downside. I think Jose's right, maybe VWAP, but let's see what happens. Another little bounce right there, but I don't trust the bounce right here right now. Does anybody else? No, me neither. Yeah. I forgot to pin the Discord in there for everybody. Oof, wish I'd been paying attention. I'd have sold that wick at the top there. Darn it. Oof. Okay, I'm glad I didn't.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. You're like an open road, get up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring, bear flags
Hey, we did a chat. 800 subs. Thanks, guys. We're growing. We're growing, guys.
Trading right Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader right Nasdaq together where the green candles grow. Driving up session, taps his ring on the desk. Says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah. Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Well, Trevor riding Nasdaq's together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah. Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles glow. Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs, take me higher, beat these bears, push those candles, get up there, come on in Q, giddy up, yeah, yeah, let's ride it all the way to the top. New bar, new charge, we never stop. Boots on the floor, charts on the wall, coffee in hand, I'm ready to brawl. Up before sunrise, watch that ticker fly. Been taking them drawdowns on the chin, still I try. Wrist tight as a lasso, heart loud as a crowd. One green day at a time and I'm singing out proud. Here's to passing that big old test, raise them hats up high in the air. All them long nights, all that sweat, turn this wild old good feel to a prayer. Tip your brim, take a bow, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Yeah, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Friends said I was crazy, staring at that screen. While the ranch lay quiet, I was chasing that dream. Dodged them bad setups, let the good ones run. Now the profits riding shotgun and the work's getting fun. Here's to passing that big old test, raise them hats up high in the air. All them rules that I once stressed, now they ride real smooth, I don't care. Tip your brim, take a bow, saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Yeah, saddle up, you're a funded trader now.
All right, there's kind of a crazy wick right there. Let's see what this thing's going to give us now.
Saddle up, say it proud. Saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Saddle up, you're a funded trader now. Saddle up, you're a funded.
See how much momentum we've got right here. See if we can get a good push or
Here's to passing that big old test. Raise them hats up high in the
see if it was just a wick up to get to drop even lower. Stop's going to be below 95. Yeah, I don't like it as much now. but we're in a trade. What's good? Well, everything was going good right now, Zero Donics, and I saw that little wick. Thought this was going to be a good pop, and now I don't know. I think that was a pop up just to get it lower. Really rejected hard. We'll see. Hoping I could get me a fast 10, 20 points. You'd think I'd learn because I got down pretty big while ago. Took some really nice base hits. Got it back up green, but it's like as soon as I see a fast wick like that, I mean, I should have shorted it is what I probably would have done, but I thought, well, no, we had a good candle first. But, man, when I see a wick, I usually go the opposite direction no matter what, so. I may just exit out of this and see what happens after we get over here. I know, Zero Don, you just missed it. It literally just clicked over. Like, literally just clicked over. I took a picture and sent it straight to my wife. Yeah, for real. Yeah, we got some people really coming in now, so. Alright, that's what I didn't want to see right there, but. Actually, Zero Don, that means you have to step up, and we got to get you on this side of the screen. Right? I think that's what that means, Zero Don. Alright guys, we're almost up 10 points again. We added into that one, we took one off. There's 10 points almost. Always stand on the sidelines waiting for the. Well, see, you gotta at least be in the chat constantly to be in there. So, and you have to give me at least one good trade every day in the chat, Zero Don, to be considered for. Look at that, 801 now, and I really think. I mean, I don't know how we're gonna be able to do it. I've talked to a couple other guys, but we're going to give away some evals at 1,000 regardless. We already got some other stuff coming for our 500 giveaway, so. Dang, man, I like my handouts. Yeah, me too. You know, the first ever eval I won, I've told this story before, but it was me watching PW one morning, and he did one of the giveaways where you have to sign up. This was back in like September or October of last year. And I won an Apex from him and took it all the way to like 3, 4, maybe 5 payouts. So super cool. But that was the first and only eval I've ever won. All right, guys, we're up 15 points now. Let's go. I'm just gonna start trailing this about 5 points behind. So we're guaranteed 10 points right there. We're guaranteed 200 bucks. The market makers. Oh yeah, you're telling me zero, Don. They'll give me a little bit, then they take a lot back. If we can get into these 20s, I may just take it off, but I don't know if I can hold it to. Can we hold it to 30 maybe? Okay, will it get 30? Nope. Alright. Hit it right there, so we're out of that one. How did your boy Greg finish the day off? I walked away. He did okay. I don't know. He ended green, I know. He got up, his account's at 51,600 roughly, so he got his eval up over 1,600, so that's really good. I mean, bro, he's showing a ton of, you know, progression here lately, so super cool to see him kind of start taking trades and kind of hanging back a little bit. Still jumps in a little early sometimes, but we saw a short playing out, and it was kind of a perfect setup. The EMAs were kind of turning over. They were kind of crossing each other, and I said, man, look at that. I bet it goes down and takes out that bottom wick. And he goes, yeah, I know. He goes, man, I want to get in. He goes, no, I'm not going to. We were done with this chat, so this was off screen, just me and him talking. And I was texting him literally after we ended that I was like, hey, it's fixing to go through that wick, and he sent me a screenshot that he had gotten into the trade after we had logged out. So I was there waiting for you to give me some trades. I know it, and you know I had a bunch of IT stuff going on my other side of my phone, so I was texting all those guys and stuff, trying to get some stuff figured out and some stuff created and invented and yada yada. But I kind of realized that sitting back, Greg was kind of taking some of the trades that I would have liked him to take, so I kind of just sat back and watched him a little bit. And then I just started kind of trading my fundeds kind of off screen, so that was really nice. H-Town gone 10 minutes and nothing. No, nothing at all. I mean, we took a little trade up here for 10 points. It got up like 16 or 17 points, and it came down to hit me at 10 points H-Town, but 200 is 200. Yeah, it's really nice when it's 200 when you're, you know, even or green for the day. Earlier 200 wouldn't have helped me at all, but it helped me now. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, what are we thinking here, guys? What are you thinking, H-Town? What do you think at Zero Dawn? Was that a double bottom right there, kind of? Should have been in at 25,000. Or wait for it to get over the 50. Got a lot of trash in front of us, don't we, on the 5? Pretty good push right there, guys. Let's see if it pushes over this 15 area. Nice fast push right there. Let's see what that means. That may have just been a wick up there to take out that top, stop some of the shorts, and get some bulls interested, and see if we have this pullback below 990. But let's see how it acts with these EMAs now. Bear flag on the 15 maybe. I've been short since 221, 24, 820. Nice, Zero Dawn. I think I took a little short right there. I actually took it at the 122. Or I guess it'd be 222, the New York time. And wrote it down to like, I think 800. Got out of it at 800. It showed a little bounce kind of. I jumped back in at like 795, and then it dropped more, and then I had to fight my way back up into profit after that. But I should have just held. And yeah, Miguel and Jose were in here a while ago, and they were hoping for VWAP, so I don't know why we hadn't already hit it though.
Turn that fin to trust when that trend line bends and the sky turns blue. I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open widescreen saloon. Hands up, high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push Nasdaq, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell screams.
Been choppy, so I'm thinking if it breaks down, it'll flush real quick and then potentially bounce then. Yeah, I mean, I got my trigger finger ready for sure, but if it can break this 990s, it may be off to the races for a minute anyway. I could kind of see it maybe wick through the 964s. On the new, I guess. There's 770. There you go. There's 66. Yeah, I mean, 40 points. What do you have to lose, right? How far away do you trail that Zero Dawn usually? I know it kind of all depends on how volatile and stuff it is, but stop at 790. I got you. Man, I really thought that was going to be a little bear flag right there to keep pushing down. Yeah. It's kind of been doing that all day though, right? I mean, it gets down, it looks like it's going to have some nice continuation, and then it rips up for like 30 points, or it'll drop down. You know, there were several trades I was in earlier that I was long and it would jump up 15 points, and I'd set my stop at, you know, break even or 5 points up, and then it just ripped down and hit it, and then bounce, and that's when I realized the chop was just going to be hard to play. Unless you got in at 820 like you did. I better set an appointment with Aspen Dental. I think Aspen you can get in anytime, can't you?
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, whip those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ, let's go now. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that
Be nice to go ahead and go in and just go ahead and have some dentures made while you still got your real teeth, right? That way when they do get knocked out, you can just grab those new ones out of the drawer and put them right in.
let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP. Come on down. Come on down. Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher. I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears. Push those candles, get up there. Hey, come on NQ, giddy up. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up, giddy up.
Get some solid stainless teeth. Yeah.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet.
Imagine what gold fillings and stuff cost now. I mean,
Got my head tipped low, screen closed.
that's crazy. Gold used to be at 300 bucks and now it's at over 5,000.
As the future starts to rise. Charts are like canyons, red dust on the line.
They are playing with me. Yeah, I almost went in. I almost went in right here at the 2503 2 candles ago. And I thought, well, let me make sure it gets back below. I like that it's rejecting the 50 on the 1 minute, but it's holding the 21 on a 15. See how this candle closes in the next 45 seconds. High kick to the face inbound. No, stop. Go back down. Oh. Jerks. Thank you, Market. I mean, at least you had it at the 90s, right? I mean, yeah, what a rip. I mean, I almost thought about taking the long, but I knew you were in a short, and I've learned not to fade you. Kind of left kind of a weird wick on these two candles, didn't it? On the old contracts.
Trading cowboy laughs, ain't my first rodeo. Honky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy, you said picks a dealing tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the desk. Says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah. Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence.
It hit the VWAP on the 1 minute.
One still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Red Trevor riding Nasdaq.
Yeah, even the new contract, I mean, it literally got like a 1.5 from it on the 5.
Terminator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together where the green candles grow.
It's gonna be a little inversion, maybe.
Boots on the floor, charts on the
Oh, it was 8 points from filling my TP with that short 24,654. Dang it. Come on, guys. And I really thought that 307 candle was going to pop up. It went halfway, retraced, and then I thought it was going to just rip down, and it just, the next candle kept going. Yeah, 754. You called out a nice one this morning for us on the stream with Greg. He even wrote it with you. I feel abused. Man, I hate that. I find myself moving my stops even closer sometimes, which isn't good, because then if I move it, you know, if I think, okay, it's going to go right here, I'll set it, you know, 2 or 3 points above that, and then it goes way past that. So yeah, that was really nice. Looks like it could be nice right here. How about that shorted 24.8? Nice. I wish I'd have got in that early. $803 got another sub. Thanks, guys. Whoever that is, appreciate you. Jose, let's go. Yes, sir. Zero Dawn scalping, though. Man, that's what I had to do a while ago. Well, that's what I do all the time, Zero Dawn. I don't know why I said that's what I have to do. Your scalping is what I do all the time. My scalping is like riding a bull. It's like 8 seconds in and out, trailing that sucker. It looks like Greg's trades a lot. Yeah, your scalping is 20 to 30 points. Mine's 2 to 3 points. So you just take a 0 off of that. My regular tradings usually, well, I mean, y'all know what I like. I mean, I usually try to take one off at 15 and then let the other one ride, but I usually go in with 2. So I'll 2 to 3 tick that thing to death. And then I'll go in with 2 contracts and lose $1,000. And then 50 trades at 20 bucks a piece. Back up to 0. Come on, be a bear flag. Let's go. Be a bear flag. Jose, did you see how close it got to the VWAP, buddy? He called that out probably an hour ago, Zero Dawn, that he was looking for VWAP. I hope the Robin Hooders get knocked out, yeah. Got about 3 minutes. Yes, sir, I remember. Man, that got super close a while ago. That 5 minute kind of pushed up right off the bat, then kind of came right back down. We're below the EMAs on a 5. I mean, really need to get a rug pull deluxe. Just tank already. I'm telling you, H-Town. Jeez, oh Pete.
Cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, our open our brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the low when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds yet.
Yeah, Jose, we got a lot going on tomorrow, right? I mean, we got 30-year mortgage rates be kind of a middle area, core CPI. We got PPI, that'll be huge. And then 1,300 hours my time, we got the Fed interest rate, FOMC, that's going to be huge. Then we got the Fed press conference. All I can say is everybody stock up on accounts. We may need them. Cannot close below the session open. So 25,000 is our session open. 25,075. Oh, you just put it in there. TPTs are looking good. Sweet. Big fat nothing candle from Robin Hood. There's a little pop.
Trading Cowboys. Coffee covering on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind, fast market, that's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself.
How are your funded today? I traded 3 lucets together. That's all I've got done, and they're up $1,040 a piece.
Used to white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hand on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around.
Kind of linked those all together. Still got, I mean, these are new, and they're not new, but one of them was from yesterday. I kind of YOLO'd it and got it up to where the other ones were, and then linked them together. So
detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ.
shoot, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, just twisting. Yeah, I agree. That's what mine are doing. They're all together. Looks like my EKG reading. Yeah, I'm not even into trading. I'm nervous. Man, just nothing rocking, guys. Just nothing. I mean, if you're short with those EMA crosses, you can just sit here and hold, but
Sun comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're a trader riding Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, a new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding Nasdaq together, where the green candles grow.
9 minutes to MOC, guys. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, trader right Nasdaq together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, New Jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader right Nasdaq together, where the green candles roll. Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower with those bulls today. Push those candles down. I'm on NQ, let's go now.
Pretty good bounce right there, but it's trying to push right back down.
Break that VWAP on down. Push those candles down. Red wave running through this town. Yes, around. Let's ride it all the way to the bottom. Break that VWAP. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Oh, push through the highs, bust through these EMIs. Take me higher, beat these bears. Push those candles, get up there. Come on and Q, giddy up. Yeah, let's ride it all the way to the top.
Let's dip to the VWAP, then rip. I'm in with you then. There you go. Just took one off right there.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, Nasdaq, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go, let's ride. Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, Nasdaq, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go.
MQ needs some therapy, yeah. It was looking decent for a second. Kind of wicked through that 95 and bounced right off of it.
Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs.
Some VWAP therapy, heck yeah.
I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears, push
15-minute candles closing here pretty quick.
come on in, Q. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up.
Like it to close below the 21, that'd sure help us. It's right at it right now. It was just below it, but naturally get a little pop there. I mean, that only thing that I'm not disappointed on is that 15-minute opened up. We're in it right up to the 9 and rejected right off of it. So starting to get a little wicky though. may just have to get out for a second. I don't know. Two and a half minutes left, guys. MOC. I'm about to chug my magic 8-ball. Yeah, me too. Just need to get that droppage back in here. Come on. I mean, that 15 just keeps pushing right up. Back above that 9 EMA right there. We need just a good rejection right here, not a bull flag. NVIDIA is still slowly grinding down. VIX's not really doing anything. ES had a little pop. About 20 seconds, guys. Hold on to your hats. All right, Zero Dawn, go pick that magic 8 ball up. It was working for a little bit. Yeah, it's not you, it's me. Oh. And we're right back up over that 50% ORB. Now we got all these EMAs, so oof, all right. It's trash, Zero Dawn. That's what it is. Straight up trash. Oh, look at that. What's that pop? Come on. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. I caught that, Zero Dawn. Did you catch that one? Oh, fixing to hit my runner. Boom. All right. Whew. That scared me a little bit. Oh. See, that's why I can't trade those. I literally cannot trade those. I mean, that's the worst feeling ever. I just can't control myself. It shot up there like that, and I automatically just click opposite of whatever it does. So I click sell, thought I was in trouble. Oh. And I double clicked it. I got 703.50 out of that one on that. And the whole time I was thinking, what are you doing? You idiot. May have to be done after that one. Oof. See, my heart rate is still up there. It still hasn't come down. There it went. And I don't know why I did it, because I kept literally telling myself, okay, if it gets over 20, it's probably going to squeeze hard and it's going to rock it up. And the second it shot up, I didn't even think about the squeeze. I just said, nope, it's going up, short it. MOC, I shorted 24,800 to 24,778. I jumped in short again at 24.8 and took it off at 785. Heck yeah. I mean, I kind of did the same thing. I had that short on that 250 candle that bailed me out. And then I went long down here at 780. And I decided to get out literally like at 786, 787. So I didn't get a lot out of that one. And the second I got out, that's when that 254 candle just shot up, or the 354. And the second it shot up, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just going to short it. So, but I caught it at the top. I caught it at like, well, I was on the new one. On the new contract, I caught that sucker at 824, 823. Sold one about halfway down and then sold the other one at the 05. So, got 35 points total out of it, I guess. And I just switched to that account. That's the bad part. Look at that spike. Zero Dawn, do you usually stay on through the next hour right here for a little bit when you're trading, or what do you usually do? Crude oil in about 27 minutes. That'll be a little interesting, but all right, Zero Dawn, I'm fixing to wrap it up too, buddy. Thanks for being here. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow, huh? You can give us a couple more banger trades. We'll have a big eventful day tomorrow with all the news coming on. All right, guys, let's wrap it up. Another good day. Got a couple funded accounts. We got traded, ended up getting 1,092 times 3 on those. Still not ready for a payout yet, so still not for sure, but we're rocking right along. Got 703.50 on this one a while ago. I'll be around in the afternoon. I have to deliver a car tomorrow. Okay. Well, that'll be just right then. You'll be able to watch FOMC and all that, huh? I'm going to try to stream as long as I can tomorrow, so. All right, guys. From me to you, thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. We had 804 subscribers a while ago. Somebody dropped out on us. We got 804. Must have made them mad, but we're rocking and rolling. Thanks to everybody. Thanks for hitting that like button. Thanks for subscribing. God bless you all. Everybody have a good night. Be safe. Help others when you can. Remember, the Trading Cowboy loves you no matter what you do. There's nothing you can do about it. See y'all tomorrow, guys. Bright and early. Giddy up.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it. The Trading Cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Car like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the Trading Cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard. seconds ever hit this land.